Monkey, welcome. If you get me to 100 subscribers, I will work on my game. I haven't worked on it in a long time. I need Blender, but yeah. If you get me to 100, I'll work on it. If you don't, no game. Also, the first person in the game lobbies, that the first person in the game I see is gonna get free mod. That's gonna be in
To be a real monkey, you have to do that.
So.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it.
Mods.
So in my game,
Even though he has mods, I still
No,
try
I
to
don't. I'm doing good on the game, okay? I'm doing good on the game. Look at me. We're monkeys. We can climb. Look, I'll even be a real monkey and climb on this. Look.
Monkey.
alright, so once my game's out, I'm gonna the first person I see in a public lobby, once it's out, the first person I see in a public lobby gets mod. I don't know how to give mod, but yeah, I will somehow. Oh yeah, also, I might work on it some more today, so I just hit something. Alright, yeah. Whee! What am I hitting? Whee! Probably I did it. I'm not. No, I'm stuck again. No. Or not. Is this outside the map? Don't!
What? Do you think we should report this kid, Gandalf?
No, yellow. Are you a real monkey? Follow me. You have to do the real monkey test. Me and White already did it. Okay, to be a real monkey, you have to do ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Okay, you did the test. Now all you have to do is walk on the wall like this.
Like what? Where? Where?
Like this.
I did it. I did it.
Come on!
No, it's
I
like
did
this.
it!
Guys, it's
You
like
can do it!
Wait, hold
Wait a
on.
minute.
Give me a second.
Hey, how'd you get
I
win
did
push? I did it. I get the win push. I already
We
did
didn't
it.
get win push.
Wait, let me try.
We just monkeys,
it.
okay? We just monkeys. Climb!
No,
I
did it. I did it. I'm a win monkey.
Hey you, how'd you get win push?
Where?
It's not win push. I'm just like really good at the game. No, I know
Yeah,
it's win push. Don't lie.
We're just good at the game.
I did it!
If you're a real monkey, you have to jump from here all the way to that like this.
No, actually, bro. Wait, can you fly if you're so good? If you're really cracked at the game, can you fly? No, I can't fly.
I'm
I
so
can just,
cracked at
I
the
can
game.
jump really far.
No,
though.
look. I'm
I did
so cracked at the game.
What?
I can jump so high.
How'd you get win push?
We're not doing win push. We're just jumping
Win
like this.
push.
We're just hitting the ground really fast like this.
No,
We didn't do a glitch. We didn't do a glitch.
Look.
Yes, you did.
You did
Oh,
a win
that
push.
means you have mods.
We didn't do a glitch.
Did he even read
If you
any
didn't
of
do
the
a
signs?
glitch,
Then you have mods, dude.
Bro.
Yes,
Bro.
you glitch on mods. We're
I
not modders.
No,
platformed.
wait.
We're not cheaters.
Calm back down. Did you even read this? Any?
I did
one
it
time?
once,
Look
but
at the bottom.
my map
Yo.
didn't work. How?
I have
Moderators
I
are
have
gone.
platforms. I have platforms. I have platforms.
I've been in a game with a wheel moderator
don't-
before.
That is no
I am a
more.
tree monkey Buddha.
You're
You're
using
such a capper.
mods.
I know, he's using mine.
Climb.
Gosh, I'm gonna
Bye bye, monkey. Whee!